Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete 2024 theme from WordPress. So go ahead and log into your WordPress admin area and click on Appearance and then Themes. If you click on Appearance by default, it basically switches you over to your themes section or page, and you can delete all the themes that you do not need. So I'm going to delete 2024. It is good practice to keep only the themes that are basically running on your store or blog or your website. So if you keep multiple themes, it slows down your WordPress page load and admin area as well. So it is good practice to keep your WordPress installation clean of unwanted and unused plugins and themes. Hopefully this makes sense, and uh, maybe you uninstalled, deleted of themes and plugins that are not being used. Okay, so you can see I'm only using one plugin, and that is enough for this website, store, or a blog, whatever it is. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.